Hey guys, Tallboy here, and it is December 5th, and we're having our first major snow of the season. You can see it's actually starting to stick to the grass. The roof right there on the side, the roof on the garage. Let's look around this way here. Sticking to the cars. That's my father's car right there. And mine over on the other side. My truck's inside the garage. But it's coming down. I'll be back in a little while. We'll see how this does. It's supposed to snow right through until tomorrow, and it's only about noon on Saturday the 5th. So, I'm not sure how much we're supposed to get. I keep seeing conflicting reports, and the fact that we're near the seacoast here tends to limit our amount of snow, especially early in the season. So we'll find out a little later on and see what's going on. We'll be back. Hey, well, I'm back, and it's actually a couple days later. I got busy and didn't have time to deal with making another segment to the video, but this is what the aftermath of the snowstorm looks like. We got, I don't know, 2 or 3 inches or so, but it was like wet, heavy stuff, and you can tell by the mailbox the snow was blowing sideways. I picked the snow off the side of the mailbox, but you can see by the post it's all stuck on there. But yeah, and it's kind of, the weight of the snow kind of crushed the bushes down in front of the house. I know it came by and saw that I got lights on them, and I saw the lights were all like hanging way down near the ground, and I think just the bushes got a little bit crushed from the weight of the snow. See, the grill hasn't been used since it snowed. But yeah, so that's it. That's what the snow looks like. First snow of the season. Take care. We'll see you next time. Bye.